Hi, I'm Dr. Josh Axe, Doctor of Natural Medicine, founder of DrAxe.com, and co-founder of Ancient Nutrition. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top natural remedies to get rid of joint pain and inflammation. And these things work better than anything that I've found over the years. And also, these are very powerful according to ancient Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and today's latest medical studies. Let's start off with number one, and it is collagen. You know, collagen makes up your joints. It makes up your ligaments, your tendons, your fascia, and part of your connective tissue. So we have to have collagen in order to have healthy joints. You want to take about 20 grams to 40 grams of collagen every single day to support your joints. That's number one. Number two is our herbs, turmeric and ginger specifically, and Boswellia. Now, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is highly anti-inflammatory. In fact, if you look up the medical studies on turmeric and curcumin for joint pain, you're going to see hundreds of studies where turmeric has been proven to get rid of joint pain. Ginger also has some powerful compounds in gingerols and gingerbrine, which reduce inflammation in the body. And Boswellia, which comes from frankincense, is another powerful anti-inflammatory that's been used throughout the Middle East and India for thousands of years. And doing those, especially in a combo formula, is really powerful. But turmeric, of all of those, the number one herb for getting rid of inflammation. Number three is bromelain. Bromelain is a unique enzyme that comes from the core of a pineapple. And bromelain has been shown in clinical studies to reduce inflammation and get rid of joint pain, and also help athletes in their recovery from workouts. And so if you're wanting to get rid of inflammation, also bromelain is great for allergies. It gets rid of inflammation in your nasal cavity and your lungs, but also throughout your joints there as well. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Now, in addition to this, electrolytes are amazing for reducing inflammation. So getting more potassium especially, and you're going to get potassium from things like fruits and vegetables. Let me talk about the top ones though. Fruit specifically for electrolytes, doing berries, apples, pears, pineapple. So getting some fruit in your diet, that's a natural remedy. And then celery and celery juice, okay? Celery is a powerful natural electrolyte that can be great for your joints, as can a few other things, including coconut water. Coconut water is very high in electrolytes. If you want to make the ultimate electrolyte drink, pour in some celery juice, pour in some coconut water, and it's going to do some amazing things for your body. And a little bit of tart cherry juice as well as a fruit. Tart cherry juice has been shown to help with gout and chronic joint pain. A few of the things that can help your joints are glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, and these are found in the superfood bone broth. Now, you can also buy bone broth in liquid form. You can make it at home, or you can buy it as a bone broth protein powder. That's something I do, is I add in collagen and I add in bone broth into my superfood smoothie every single day, and my joints and my gut have never felt better because of it. And again, I just feel great. And so again, you know, there are so many things you can do, but just remember, these are the top herbs. And I would recommend also changing your diet. You know, these supplements are great, but also embrace the foods I talked about. The most anti-inflammatory foods are going to be, as we've talked about, the electrolyte-rich foods, the fruits and vegetables, the bone broth, and the last thing I want to talk about are omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammation. You can take a fish oil supplement, you could take a cod liver oil supplement, or just an omega-3 supplement that comes from chia or flax seeds or another amazing superfood. But omega-3s have been shown time and time again in clinical studies to reduce inflammation. Typically 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily of omega-3s can reduce inflammation. So I would highly recommend, hey, pick some of your favorites from this list, start adding them in, and you will absolutely feel an amazing difference in your body in reducing inflammation and chronic pain. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video on the natural remedies to reduce chronic pain and inflammation.